Hello, driving intelligence community. Well, not too long ago, I had to repair this Kobalt mower, and this is what I repaired. This cable came apart because of rust. Well, I've got to come up with a new method. I mean, this worked for quite a few mowings, but just finally pulled apart. So I'm going to disassemble this, and I've got a new way to fix it. Hopefully this time it holds much longer. So the next phase of repairing this Kobalt, where there's no spare parts, as I'm showing in previous videos, is to remove all this material that I put on here, and I'm going to use a new type of crimping. This is for cable crimping. These are pretty heavy duty aluminum pieces. I'll link these in the description below. But I'm going to go ahead and clean this up, and what I'm going to have to do is use more. I'm going to have to use two of these, an additional piece of wire to connect these two sections together. So I'll show you as I get into that. Went into my stash and I found some picture frame wire that's the perfect size. It's metallic. So I've got the crimp on one side of the broken cable from my lawnmower, and I haven't crimped this yet, but this obviously is going to do a good job. So all I got to do is cut this side, cut it to size, and install it on the other side of the lawnmower after I clean up this portion of the wire coming out of the switch. I know this isn't a proper crimping tool for this, but it should work. To get the other side done, I got to clean this thing up after putting all that epoxy on there. So I got to remove these star driver bits with T20s. I can disassemble the switch and pull this part of the cable out of the assembly. Now that it's disassembled, I can just simply pull up on the switch and pull this cable out. All cleaned up, I've got it inserted in the crimp. All I got to do is crimp this, and then I can reinstall. You can see I've butted up the two broken ends as close to actual length as possible so that it properly controls the switch when I activate the safety arm. Cable is complete and installed on the switch, but there's one thing I wanted to do to make this job right before I reinstall everything, and that's this control arm, the safety arm. It was completely rusty. I'm using electrolysis to strip away all the rust and paint. It's really a simple process. This is what it looks like. If you want me to make a video about this, please let me know. Otherwise, you can do some research on the internet to find out how this really works. All right, so with this de-rusted and degreased, primed with a rust converter and then painted red, I can go ahead and put it back on the lawnmower and test this thing out.